Good day, everyone. Today we are going to make eyes again, but this time it's male eyes. We'll be drawing semi-realistic male eyes. So now I'm using the brush tool again and the black color. And we will be drawing the outline on layer 2. Let's start. When drawing a male eyes, I like creating thick eyebrows. I don't know, it's just like masculine stuff. Looks good on males to have very thick eyebrows. It also looks good on female, right? There. It's not too, I think it's on fleek, but not too much. Like ladies' eyebrows, looks like so, like this, like the on fleek style. But this one, I just like to make it a bit more flatter. There. So you see, it's a bit messy, but I like making it messy so it will become a little bit more realistic. And then add hairs here. Actually, you can already make it into only one direction, like this direction, but I started mine with straight like that. Alright, moving on, let us zoom into it. So yeah, it's messy. Look at that, still on flick. I'll try adding a little bit more here to make it look realistic and stuff. Yeah. Also, I like to use the eraser tool and a thin size of the brush to make more details in the eyebrows. Look at that. Looks simple, huh? And then on this part, I erase more so it will look more real. There. Nice. Just a little bit more details. And we're done. And next, we're going to make the eyes now. So let's make it look like this. Just a curve. I like to erase this part to make it thinner. And then in here we add a little line, and then going down. It's not too round. It's almost flat with just curves. And then details for the eyes. The eyelid. We make the eyelid like this. A little bit more detail here. I like making this with little pressure so it's not that harsh. There. And then I put more details in here. Details. You might want to zoom that in. And then the eyes, we draw some curve here. Actually, you can use the circular tool to create this. For example, it's like this, but I like to put it in a new layer so we can erase it without a problem. There. Place it in the center. There you see it's overlapping here, and then you're gonna stroke that section with the line there, then erase it, and then we put another circle here. You can use that technique again, the circle, and then we put here, and then draw it like that, and then we'll go back to a thinner line, draw the details and shit. Oh, sorry. There. Finer lines are better, make it more realistic. There. And then we put some eyelashes. We don't want to put too much eyelashes on the male eye, so it won't look too girly. Let's put some eye bags here. Then go back to 3px, then add more details. Alright, girls, males, got them eyelashes too. They're on flick. Just not too much, just a bit. There. Make it a little bit like this, defined. There. And then we will put well, I think I'll just fix this so it's not that messy. There. Let's merge the two layers. I like to merge them so we can color this part. Let's make another layer here below the layer 3, layer 4, so we can color the eyes. We can put color in here. You can also color the other parts like in here, but let's just make it in here. Let's go for a blue eyes. Blue eyes. Alright. Solid color below. Then let's put a lighter shade with a brush that is softer. This brush looks soft. There. Size 21, fatter. Then I'll go for another lighter shade again, thinner line, then put more in here. There. And go to the lighter again. There. And then I would like to use a darker color and put it in here to make it more realistic. Then I drop the opacity to 50. Smaller brush so I can control the color more. Color blending. There. Good. Looks great. And then we will put the reflection, so it should be a solid brush and opacity of 100, and remember to put the layer on top. There. Ooh. Ooh, nice. So actually we're done, but I will show you how to put some extra effects and details. So I created another layer on top, put it on hard light mode, and then find the blue color and then put it in there. Ooh, wow, see that? Opacity below. Wow, see that? Ooh. And then I want to be more creative with this, be playful. Wow, see that? Wow. I'm not sure about this, but I'll show you how to play with what you're doing. Let's experiment more with the details. Ooh. Nice, nice, nice. See that? Never be afraid to experiment, so you'll get to know more techniques. There. When will I get satisfied with it? I don't think I will ever be. There. I think I'm gonna stop now. Ooh. Nice, nice. There. So you've got the blue-eyed male eyes. Well, actually, it also looks like a female eyes, but I think it's for male. So I like to put a little bit of detail in here and below. Let's put some shadowing technique. Wow. There. See that? Darker colors. I'm enjoying this right now. I forgot to talk. There. There, you see now how it's done. And then in here you can add a flesh color, so we can put it inside here in the eyes. There. Very nice. Oh wait, let's delete. Let's erase some brownish part here. And then once you've done this, let's put more. You can add more details to it. Actually, you can put something in here. make it more real. There. And then let's add some white details. White. There. And here, let's add more flesh colors. I'll be creating a tutorial to create a more realistic one than this, but for now, if you're starting, I hope this helps, and soon we will create a more realistic one. So be prepared and practice. Alright. We'll be using more shadows next time. More realistic ones. Add some shadows here. If you've got question, guys, don't be shy to put it in the comment section. I will try to answer, or maybe some of the watchers can also answer your questions. Let's be friendly with each other. There. Lovely. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button beside the subscribe button so you'll get notified for new tutorials. Okay, we're done. Stay tuned for the next tutorials. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.